Hi, good Modike morning. Welcome back once again to the new video learning session. A lot of consultants do ask us how to search a distribution point nearby their location. The main queries are they have some consultants who are in a different location and they wanted to direct them to go to this particular distribution point for buying a product. So how do we search it? It is very simple. You can search the same by using our Modicare website. First, go to Google Chrome, enter Modicare address www.modicare.com, and here we can see an option called Contact Us. For searching an address, you don't have to log in. In the first page itself, you can see Contact Us, and below Contact Us, you can see Store Locator. You can click here. Now you can see under store locator, there are three options: search by state, search by city, and search by zone. You cannot select all the three at the same time. So please note, either you can search by state, or you can search by city, or you can search by zone. For example, if I want to see the DPs of Karnataka, then just go click here, select Karnataka, and wait for 2-3 seconds. It will start searching and click here distribution point. Okay, so it is searching here. It's taking, yeah, now it is done. Now you can go to distribution point, click here, and you can see all the distribution point of Karnataka. Now the question is, how do I search for that particular location? So that can be done if you go to search by city. For example, I'm clicking here and selecting Bangalore. You can simply type here, you can see Bangalore. Click here and wait for some time. You can see it is reading. It takes some 2-3 seconds. Now it is done. Then pull the cursor below, click distribution point. Now you can see all the DPs which are in Bangalore. Now how do I search for one particular area? Simply click Control F and type the location. For example, G1. If you type G1, you can see G1 Bhimanagar. Enter, you can see. If you enter, you can see multiple locations if it is available. Or you know that you are staying in this particular pin code 560063. Okay. Now you can see in 63, you can see one DP. You enter here, it means in this particular pin code there is only one DP point. Now if you want to search the nearest DP, just type the pin code if you know. Let's say 0, 1, 10. You can see 11. If I enter, I can see multiple. Okay, so by this way you can start searching the nearest DP. You can even type the location name. For example, Jayanagar. You can see Jayanagar and Vijayanagar. You keep entering, you can see multiple location. You want to see, for example, MG Road. Okay. You can see KR Puram. You can see there are multiple DPs in KR Puram. Okay. or Anekal. You can see how many DPs are there in Anekal. So this is how you can search your nearest DP using Modicare website. I hope the information shared was useful. So we will again come back with a new video, with a new learning session next time. Until then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.